So, that's right, you fucker. Oh, you want this? Oh, you want my sexy little body? Oh, my a delectable little morsel that you just want to pop into your mouth? Oh, come here. Come here, you sexy little baby. I'm right here. Oh, I'm right here. Don't you want a little taste? Oh, I'm so delectable. I taste like fear and Wagyu fat. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, you want a little taste? Oh, you want a little taste of this delectable little orc baby? Love you. Fucker. Get fucking destroyed, idiot.
Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Stop edging him, you dickhead. Come on. Come on. It's pretty funny. This definitely looks like a vibrating butt plug. You know what I mean? That like Dojin staple. You put the spy pangolin, you plug it up there, and then you turn it on with the remote. I hate it. I hate it. You'll never be able to see, you know? You'll never catch me with that. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's even see-through. Oh. We're fine. We're fine. He wants my fucking... Oh, he wants this tight or gussy. You want some of this? Oh. I'm so tender and juicy. You want some of this? Come on, big boy. Oh, I'm out of... Oh, sweet Jesus! I ran out of power! It wants my cake so bad. It wants me so fucking bad. It's never wanted... You want some of this? Oh, it's so bad that you can't... Oh, so sad. Oh, I wish I could clip through it. Oh, look at this delicious kyanite. Don't mind if I do. So good, so tasty. What are you? Oh, you want some of this? Oh, too bad you can't clip through this. No! 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 What's that sound? It's the sound of my cheeks, you know, slapping together. Plap, 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 plap. I'm sorry, I just fucking ran! Yeah, I pulled my knife out while looking at the baby one just as a joke. And they just like, we're not having it. Excuse me? You think I won't kill you, bro? I am the big ham and I will be respected. That's right. That's right. Out of respect, I will leave your children alone. Or will I? No, I'll leave them alone. Unsubbing! You monster! She drew first blood! I was in here in her house minding my own business. I was in here in her house minding my... Are you gonna fuck with me? You're definitely gonna fuck with me. You look like you're gonna fuck with me. There's no way. Dojin! Dojin! God damn it. Show me your crack! Show it to me. I know you got some. Whee! Oh, fuck! I fucking launched a torpedo. Oh, I farted. Oh, this is embarrassing. Oh, jeez. Keep going. Crop dust. Crop dust. Oh, I'm humiliated. Are you lithium? Yes, you are. He finally got all the lead he can eat. Dude, paint chips? Paint chips are so good and they're so rare now. Get punked, idiot. Now I'm gonna steal your delicious egg! I don't want your fucking eggs, dude. I want to steal your farts. I need to make more fart missiles, man. Chill, bro. What's the... Oh, fuck. Where am I? Ah! Uh-oh. I farted. I farted. This stink is a part of my charm. Drop the dildo on the ground. Drop the dildo on the ground. Drop the freaking dildo. There we go. How do the penguins taste? They taste so sweet. Oh, so delicious. Mm. Mm, mm. We're good. Woo! Yeah, that's right. That's right. Look at me. Look at me. I'm the big ham now. Idiot. This is what it feels like to be big ham. You're literally a god and nobody can hurt you. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Teleporter. Does it kill me and reassemble me in the exact arrangement of molecules? So don't you actually die. I don't give a fuck about whether a clone of me that believes it's me. It has to be me. My balls are unique. Beyond the physical. You farted on, idiot. You want some of this? Get farted on, idiot. Get farted on, you fool. Shit. We'll make room. Ah! What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm high as balls, dude. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, I'm high as balls. Why do you sound so sexy right now? Oh no, I'm back! Oh, I'm back where I fucking started from. Wait, am I? Oh. This crystal is pissing on me. I hate it. Oh, you're looking kind of sexy. It's the fucking centaur! This fucking clubbot! No fucking way! This is a freaking centaur! It's... What the fuck?
I accept your help. Find me at the gate when you are ready. In the meantime, I must prepare.
Signal location uploaded to PDA.
Signal what?
Please, I will join you in the gate base when everything is ready. But for now, I have much to prepare.
Understood. Ah. Phase gate facility. Got it. Let's go. I can't believe I've been helping Clopbot all along. Want some of this fucker? I'm ready for you. You ready for this? Get zapped, you freaking fool. I fear nothing. No! Alright. Zap me, Clop Daddy.
I will initiate ship assembly.
Zap me, Clop Daddy. No? Okay, fine.